Do you know what separates a successful investor from someone who loses it all? It's not luck, it's not timing. It's avoiding these five deadly mistakes that almost everyone makes when investing in the stock market. Today, I'll expose these mistakes, show you how to avoid them, and save you years of regret. If you are serious about building wealth, stay tuned. You can't afford to miss this. Investing in the stock market is one of the most powerful ways to grow your wealth. But here's catch: the market doesn't reward ignorance, while stocks can offer massive returns. Making common mistakes can cost you big time. The good news: these mistakes are completely avoidable if you know what to do look for. So let's dive right in to set you on the path to smarter invest. Mistake number one: chasing the hype. We've all seen it. A hot stock everyone talking about. People say this is the next Tesla. But chasing hype is like running after a mirage. By the time you hear about it, it's likely overpriced or nearing its peak. Instead, focus on researching companies with strong fundamentals and long-term potential. Don't let FOMO, means fear of missing out, drive your decisions. Mistake number two: ignoring diversifications. Putting all your eggs in one basket is a recipe for disaster. Sure, it's tempting to beat one single stock, but all even best companies can free unexpected challenges. Diversification, spreading your investment across different sectors and asset classes, is like an insurance policy of your portfolio. Remember, no one can predict the market perfectly, so don't gamble your future on the stock. Mistake number three: timing the market. Let me be clear. No one, not even the pros, can time market consistently. Waiting for the perfect time, buy or sell often leads to missed opportunity or panic selling. Instead, adopting a long-term perspective, use strategies like dollar cost averaging, investing a fixed amount regularly to reduce the impact of market fluctuations. Mistake number four: not having a clear plan. Investing without a plan is like driving without a destinations. It's a funny. What's your goal? First of all, you have to set your goal and then you have to go work. Is it retirement, a down payment, financial independence? Your investment choice should align with your goals and risk tolerance. Write down your plan and stick to it, even when your market gets bumpy. Mistake number five: letting emotions rule. Investing is emotional. There's fear when prices drop and greed when they rise, but acting on emotions leads to flawed decisions like panic selling or impulsive buying. Always remind yourself that stock market is a long game. Instead of reacting emotionally, rely on data and your investment plan to guide you. So, there you have it. In the top 5 mistake to avoid investing in the stock market, let's recap. Number 1, don't chase hype. Number 2, diversify your portfolio. Stop trying to time the market. Number 4, create a clear plan. Number 5, keep your emotions in check. By avoiding these pitfalls, you will not only predict your investment but also set yourself of long-term success. Which of these mistakes do you think is the most common? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. If you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, share it with your friends, and don't go forget to subscribe for more tips on smart investing. Let's grow your wealth one smart decision at a time. Being a student is tough. You are juggling classes, assignments, and your bank account empty. But what if I told you there are side hustle that can fix that? Today, I'm going to show you 5 genius side hustle that you can start right now to earn money first. Let's go into it. Freelance skills online. The first side hustle is freelancing your skills online. Are you good at writing, graphic design, video editing, or coding? Platform like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer are great place to start. For example, you could create logos, write blog posts, or even edit videos. The best part, you decide your rates and work schedule. I know students who have made hundreds of dollars doing this part-time. So think about your skills and start offering them today. Social media manager. Next, become a social media manager. Business need help with their Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook account, and this is where you come in. Content or growing online communities. This is the perfect side hustle for you. You can start by reaching out to local business or friends with small brands, offer to help them grow their business and charge them for your expertise. It's fun, flexible, and pays well. Tutoring. Third is tutoring. If you're good at specific subject like math, science, or even a language, you can make money helping others learn. Websites like Wizard or local tutoring services can connect with students who need your help. And tutoring isn't just about earning money, it also helps you strengthen your own knowledge. Plus, it's super rewarding to see someone improve because of your help. Sell handmade craft or digital product. Fourth, unleash your creativity by selling handmade craft or digital product. Platforms like Etsy make it easy to sell anything from jewelry to customs notebooks. Not into craft, create and sell digital products like printables, study templates, or wall art. The beauty of digital product is that you create them once and sell over and over again. Passive income anyone? Delivery or gig jobs. The last one is very important. Jobs like food delivery or odd jobs. Platforms like DoorDash, Uber Eats, or TaskRabbit let you work whenever you want. It's perfect for students with unpredictable schedules. You can make money fast, get some exercise, and meet new people all while keeping your class schedule intact. So, there you have it. 5 genius side hustles for students. These aren't just ways to earn extra money. They're opportunity to learn new skills, build your resume, and gain financial freedom. The best part? You can start any hub of these today. Let me know in the comments which one you are gonna try first. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and follow my Facebook page. And I will see you the next one.